Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you this makeup look that I did a couple of days or weeks back, and I had put up an Insta story and a picture on my Instagram. You guys really like the makeup and a lot of y'all asked me to recreate it. It's super easy, so I thought why not just recreate this. It's fresh, it's very coralish orange, and I think it's going to go really well in the summer season with all of your outfits. So that is what you're going to be seeing in this video, so let's get started.
So I have already moisturized my skin. In the summer, I don't usually apply foundation all over because it gets too stuffy and cakey on my face. So I prefer using a concealer and only use it wherever I need it. And then I'm going to go in and finish it off with the MAC Studio Fix powder in NC35. I'll just lightly pat this all over so that my concealer stays in place. I like to start off with my brows, so I'm just going to brush it out first. And then I go in with gentle strokes with this so that it looks really natural and I'm not making any harsh lines around my eyebrows. I'm just cleaning it out on the corners with a flat brush. Then I'm going to just set this in using the Charlotte Tilbury Legendary Brows. This will just hold everything in place and also add a little bit of tint and color into my eyebrows. Again, just cleaning it around so it looks really nice and arched. I'm just going to condition my lips using the Maybelline Baby Lips because I am going to use a matte lipstick later on. And then one of my favorite kajals is the Shambhav Smoky Eyes Intense Kohl in black, and I just line my lower waterline really well with this. Then I'm going to be using the Maybelline GIGI HADID eyeshadow palette. First I'm going to use this color right here, and I'm just going to pat this on the eyelids really well. I'm just going to pat this color in and not sweep it because I want the color to last on my eyelids for a long time. And then I'm going to be taking that darker color for the crease. With a fluffy brush, I'm just going to go in strokes and move it in and out and blend it in really well. And then I'm going to be using a smudge brush like this. I'll take the darker color right there and I'll just smudge that into the kajal under my waterline. Then I'll use my favorite blush, and I just like to apply this on the apples of my cheek first and then just smile and blend it into the contours. I'm going to be using this palette by My Glam. It's called Chisel It. I'm going to be using the highlighter from this palette, and I'm just going to place that on the high points of my cheeks, a little bit on my nose and a little bit on top of my lips. I'm adding a little bit of the eyeshadow colors also on the inner corners of my eyes. I am completely obsessed with this. I love this color because it's such a perfect nude, but it also has a hint of pinkish coralish color in it, and I think it just looks absolutely perfect in the summer for an everyday look. I'm just going to be taking a lip liner in a similar shade like the lipstick, and I'm just going to line that and make it look all even. I'm just going to use a big fluffy brush and blend everything in really well. This just really helps your makeup to look really natural and dewy, and this really makes your makeup last longer as well, and I don't think there are any dry patches when I apply this. It makes my skin feel really nice. And that's about it. That's the finished look.
So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. All of the product links are in the description box. You guys can check it out. Give this video a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel and hit on the notification bell so you're updated every time I put out a new video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!